Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing cool survival gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top machines on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Wayland Bushcraft Settlers. The Wayland Bushcraft Settlers collection embodies rugged durability and timeless craftsmanship. Each piece is meticulously crafted to withstand the rigors of the wild, whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or a novice adventurer. From sturdy axes designed for precision chopping to durable tints engineered for all-weather protection, every item in the set exudes quality and reliability. With a focus on functionality and performance, Wayland Bushcraft Settlers equip you with the essentials for conquering nature's challenges and embracing the spirit of exploration. Unleash your inner pioneer and forge new paths with confidence using this trusted gear. Path 22. Path 22 introduces the revolutionary interchangeable coin-sized compass, a compact marvel redefining navigation. Crafted with precision, its sleek design fits seamlessly into any pocket or gear, enhancing versatility for adventurers, explorers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With a diameter no larger than a coin, this compass offers unparalleled convenience without compromising accuracy. Its interchangeable feature allows for customization, adapting to various settings and preferences effortlessly. Whether trekking through dense forests or navigating urban jungles, this compass promises reliable guidance, ensuring every journey is marked with confidence and precision. Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel. Meet the Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel, the ultimate companion for adventurers exploring land and sea. Crafted with rugged waterproof materials, this duffel ensures your gear stays dry and protected even in the most challenging conditions. Its submersible design allows it to withstand immersion, making it ideal for water-based activities like kayaking, rafting, or sailing. With a spacious interior and multiple compartments, it offers ample storage for all your essentials. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or an extended expedition, the Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel keeps your gear safe, dry, and ready for adventure. Mini Striker Crossbow. The Mini Striker Crossbow embodies power and precision in a compact package. Designed for portability and ease of use, this mini marvel packs a punch with its high-performance limbs and precise firing mechanism. Its lightweight construction makes it ideal for hunters and target shooters alike, offering agility and maneuverability in any environment. Despite its small size, the Mini Striker Crossbow delivers impressive accuracy and velocity, ensuring every shot counts. Whether you're honing your skills at the range or stalking prey in the wild, this crossbow proves that big thrills can come in small packages. Swacker Crossbow Broadhead. The Swacker Crossbow Broadhead stands as a testament to innovation and efficiency in hunting gear. Engineered with precision and care, it features a unique design that combines the cutting power of two blades with the penetration of a chisel tip. Upon impact, the broadhead deploys its razor-sharp main blades, delivering devastating wound channels for quick, ethical kills. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance even on the toughest game. Whether you're pursuing big game or varmints, the Swacker Crossbow Broadhead offers unmatched stopping power and accuracy, making it a trusted choice for hunters seeking success in the field. Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gator. Introducing the Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gator, a game-changing accessory for adventurers venturing into snake territory. Crafted with premium materials and innovative design, these gaiters provide unparalleled protection against snake bites and other hazards. The Snake X Gator features a durable construction that withstands rough terrain and brush, while its snake-proof fabric offers peace of mind on every step. With a secure fit and adjustable straps, it stays in place during rigorous activity. Whether hiking, camping, or working outdoors, the Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gator ensures you can explore with confidence, knowing your lower legs are shielded from danger. X3 Climbing Sticks. The X3 climbing sticks redefine safety and efficiency in tree stand access for hunters. Crafted with precision engineering and durable materials, these climbing sticks offer a lightweight yet sturdy solution for ascending trees with ease and confidence. Featuring a compact design and easy-to-use attachment mechanisms, they provide a quick and secure setup, minimizing noise and hassle in the field. With their adjustable length and innovative step design, the X3 climbing sticks accommodate various tree sizes and terrain conditions, ensuring hunters can reach their desired hunting locations safely and efficiently, ready to pursue their prey from above. BCA Tracker 4. The BCA Tracker 4 epitomizes cutting-edge technology in avalanche transceivers, offering unparalleled reliability and performance for backcountry adventurers. Engineered with precision, this beacon combines user-friendly features with advanced capabilities, providing swift and accurate locating of avalanche victims. With its intuitive interface and multiple search modes, including a powerful multiple burial indicator, the Tracker 4 streamlines rescue operations, even in the most challenging scenarios. Its rugged construction and long battery life ensure durability and dependability in harsh mountain environments. Whether skiing, snowboarding, or mountaineering, the BCA Tracker 4 is an indispensable tool for safety-conscious outdoor enthusiasts venturing into avalanche terrain. Thank you for watching this machine and gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.